Hey, Rye the Try Guy here again, just to discuss some things that we see on the bike in regards to knee pain. Okay, so some simple fixes you can do on the bike if your knee hurts. However, depending where your knee hurts depends on how you're going to change the seat. So if you get more pain across the front, usually means you're overactive through the quads, and actually usually means the seat is a little too low. Okay, too much pressure there. If you start to get pain on the outside of the knee, maybe what we call that IT band, or even on the inside of the knee, that usually means your seat's a little too high, so you gotta lower it, okay? And ideally, you wanna try to get your knee right at about a 30 to 35 degree knee bend. And in our evaluations, we'll make sure that that's the right fit. But again, if your knee hurts in the front, you wanna elevate the seat. If your knee hurts on the outside or inside, you usually want to lower the seat a little bit, trying to hit that 35 degree knee bend. But let's talk a little bit about things you can do in therapy to help those pains go away. Okay, so again, if it's on the front, we want to stretch the quad because that's what connects right into that patella and the patellar tendon. So get something that you can balance on, a wall, whatever. Okay, stay nice and tall. Probably grab your knee. If it's way too tight, you can get a strap of some sort or grab on your pant leg. But make sure you're tall, make sure your leg's back in line with your other leg here, and then you slowly start to pull up until you feel a nice little stretch across the front of that thigh. Okay, it should be mild to moderate, it should be comfortable, and you should hold it at least a minimum of 30 seconds, no more than 2 minutes. All right, and you'll let it relax, and you'll definitely want to do 2 of those in a row. Okay, get it all lined up, square. A lot of times we see people leaning forward and you're not really getting a good quad stretch, but stay tall and keep it comfortable, okay? 30 seconds to 2 minutes. All right, now let's talk about if you have pain on the outside or the inside. If it's on the inside, we call these the adductors. And what you can do is, again, still maybe have something for balance. Spread those legs out to a comfortable position, and then you start lunging over to the opposite leg that's hurting, and you'll feel the pull on the inside. And again, stay tall, get that nice light stretch, 30 seconds to 2 minutes, do at least 2 of those, and spread that as many times as you can throughout the day to make it feel better. Lastly, the pain on the outside, a little bit harder to stretch that IT band, so we have this handy dandy tool, or you can get out a rolling pin from the kitchen, and you can just come here, have a seat, maybe roll a little bit to the side, and you'll apply pressure, just rolling up and down the meat of the leg to kind of help stretch out that IT band, the muscle that it connects to, and even the muscles around it. Applying enough pressure where it's maybe a little tender but still feels good. Avoid hitting the bony structures here, and even on the kneecap, and just spend maybe a couple minutes rolling up and down. Okay? And that should really help loosen up that side. And then we taught you how to loosen up the inside, taught you how to loosen up the front. All good ways to help keep that knee healthy. But again, review. If the knee hurts in the front, raise the seat up a little bit. If it hurts on the in or outside, lower it a little bit. And that should help your rides go a lot smoother and a lot more comfortable. All right, take care, guys. Have fun out there.